If a tenancy is not subject to a rent and eviction control ordinance, and so long as the tenancy is a month-to-month tenancy, then a landlord can evict a tenant for any reason or even for no reason at all. Now, there are two limits on that. A tenancy cannot be terminated for retaliatory or for discriminatory reasons. For example, a tenancy cannot be terminated because a tenant made a complaint to a landlord and asked the landlord to make repairs at the property. Now, with that being said, starting in January 2020 in California, there are new statewide eviction control and rent control laws taking effect. And basically what that means is that many more properties all throughout the state of California are going to be subject to new rent control and eviction control laws. And it's basically advisable for any landlords and tenants throughout the state of California to check in with a qualified real estate attorney at that time to see if their tenancies are going to be subject to this new law.